What's up, people? What's up? What's going on? How's everything going? So, as you guys know, I have purchased that Bauer 20 amp, 20 volt. I don't know if this is brushless. It doesn't say brushless, but this is the 20 volt battery lineup that I have from Harbor Freight. And as you guys know, I am going to unbox this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is right here, right now, unbox this chainsaw Bauer, because I already have a couple of Bauer. I actually have a blower. And I have a weed eater from Bauer. And I also have a compact drill bit. So this is how it comes in, as you guys can see in the video. A lot of cardboard and stuff like that packed in. So, oh shoot, hit my nose. Pretty good. Also, if you guys don't know, if you're an inside member, you get a free magnet. I love these. A free tape measure and a free batteries, AA or AAA, for free if you're an inside member. So it is worth you paying the $30 if you're going to be purchasing tools from Harbor Freight. If you're not going to be purchasing tools like that, maybe not worth it. But to be honest with you, I purchased quite a bit of tools, as you guys can see. So I do go to Harbor Freight quite often. Got these for free. I got them for free yesterday, and I got them for free today. So this right here, the tape measure alone is like $5. This is 3. I say these are like $2, but these are not the greatest. These batteries are not the greatest, but I love this. This is one of my favorite shit from Harbor Freight. Tape measure. Everybody needs a tape measure. So that being said, it's worth it. You know, $10. I got it twice, so that's the membership right there. If I go tomorrow and get it again, you know, you're already paid for your membership, which I am. I'm going to probably buy some cheap shit, probably some fucking glasses, $2 glasses or whatever, and call it a day. So, moving forward with the chainsaw, so it comes like this, plastic. Says, you know, to put oil. It has an oil cap or whatnot. So, you got to put your oil in there, obviously. That's so obvious. And then what you do here is you just loosen this up, lefty, righty, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. So, I don't know, yeah, it's loosening. So, it comes out like that. So, you put this to the side, you leave this to the side right here, right? And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I was gonna go with the Ryobi because I have quite a bit of Ryobi tools, but this one was $20 cheaper. So I got with this instead. So as you guys can see, it comes with that bar and that chain. Okay, the bar and the chain, the plastic to cover it. Don't throw these out. These are very important to keep, because they protect your chain from dry rotting. So don't throw these out, these plastic covers, because they not only look cool, but they protect your chain from dry rotting. I think I need to sharpen this knife. I gotta be careful here too, because I got a little boo-boo right there. I cut myself with the box cutter the other day, trying to fix my glasses that I keep breaking, my Ray-Bans. All right, so what we do here is I'm assuming.
Should you want me to wash your clothes also, put it in laundry, or you want it separated? Since you will have one with someone.
I'm doing a video. All right, so I don't know if I have to see the instructions on how to put this together. So what we're gonna do is, I'm assuming.
The woman of yours should understand that we are separated.
I'm assuming it goes this way. I'm not sure. So what we're gonna do here, I can't show it in the video because evidently I don't have a camera person, but I have somebody catching feelings right now, and their feelings right now, I don't know what's going on. But this person needs to stop with their feelings. This is kind of a difficult thing to do. I'm gonna cut this video off because there's a hater hating, and you know what I mean. You can't have haters hating when you're doing videos. So I'm trying to be polite about it and things of that nature. So. Oh, okay. I'm having a little bit of difficulty trying to do this video. Let me see if I could do it this way. Lay that shit flat. Why are you going in my room? I told you don't go in my room. Stay in your room. Have my roommate going in my room. I told them don't go in my room. Okay. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video, and you got to get up out of here. Fucking idiot people. Excuse my language. I'm doing a video, and got to hate on the kid. Yeah, you need to stay in your room. Well, it looks like, okay, I see what it is. I see exactly what it is. So I'm gonna unloosen this baby up, and I see what it is. So the chain goes in this side, I'm assuming, catches on this side. I'm assuming, because I got people talking when I'm here doing a video. But let me see if I can flip it over to the other side or whatnot. See how that works. I don't think that works that way. Nope, I think it's the other way how I had it. Maybe it is this way. Okay, let's see. Yep. Oh yeah, it is that way. No, it's not. It's the other way. So It's the other way around. But trying to formate it for it to fit properly. Let's see if we got it now. Okay, we got it now. Okay, should be good now. We should be good. We should be in business now. Okay. Okay, we're in business now, guys. So what we do is we tighten it up. And you don't want this chain too loose. You see this chain is a little bit too loose. So what we're gonna do is, I don't know. Maybe I got it in wrong. I don't know. I don't think I got it in wrong. I think I did everything right now. But we're gonna check it out to see what's going on here. Okay. So everything looks correct, as you guys can see. Everything looks correct. But let's check it out now. Okay. So you don't want this chain too tight and you don't want it too loose. You want it to give it some play. I think that's good right there, as far as I know. But we're gonna test it out outside anyway. So, that being said, you just take this out. Everybody knows how to put oil, right? So it does come with oil, Harbor Freight. Thank you, Harbor Freight. It does come with oil, which is a beautiful thing. And I already have a 5 amp battery, as you guys can see. I already have it because I already have a Bauer lineup tools. So let me see how much voltage is at full capacity as of right now. Yeah, they packed this up with that tape really good. Okay. So you got your oil, bar oil. It says chainsaw, pole saw cutting oil. And it actually has, I don't know if you guys can see it in that side. It actually has it in this side right here. The low, medium, large. I mean full. So you have empty, medium, and full. So we're gonna pour this oil inside the chainsaw and see what it do. All right. All right. So it gives you a little bit like a middle of oil. I'm trying to have every drop go in because I don't have extra oil. I'm gonna have to go to go get some more oil somewhere. So let's test this baby out right here, right now. We're not gonna do a full test right now. We're just gonna, you're gonna see another video for that because I don't have the technology as of right now to do videos to like edify and stuff like that, which I'm working on or add on. So if you guys have any tips on that, I gladly appreciate it. Okay, that looks like it's full. So we're gonna put the 5 amp battery inserted. Okay. Then we're just gonna test this out to see what it do. All right. So we're gonna go outside and make prune some trees real quick. But I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna try to edify it to show you guys, but I'm gonna hit you back up maybe in another video or the same video. Peace.